Today we're exploring the journey of Robert Wagner, the legendary Hollywood actor whose career has spanned over 7 decades. From his early days as a studio heartthrob to his iconic roles in It Takes a Thief, Hart to Hart, and the Austin Powers franchise, he has remained a symbol of classic Tinseltown charm. However, his long and successful career has often been shadowed by the enduring mystery surrounding the 1981 death of his wife, Natalie Wood. So, where is Robert Wagner now? Let's find out. Robert Wagner's professional life has been nothing short of prolific, earning him 3 Golden Globe nominations and a place as one of the most recognizable faces in television history. Yet, for over 40 years, the public's fascination has frequently turned toward the tragic night on the yacht Splendor. While the case was reopened in 2011 and Wagner was named a person of interest in 2018, no charges were ever filed, and he has consistently denied any involvement in her drowning. In recent years, he has focused on his family and preserving his legacy, releasing several memoirs, including the 2016 bestseller I Am Natalie's Father, which detailed his life as a parent following the tragedy. In his personal life, Wagner has found lasting stability with his wife of over 30 years, actress Jill Street John. The couple, who married in 1990, moved away from the intense media spotlight of Los Angeles years ago, choosing instead to reside in the mountains of Colorado. Despite his age, Wagner has occasionally returned to the screen, most recently appearing in a recurring role as Anthony DiNozzo Sr. on the long-running CBS hit NCIS, a character beloved by fans for his wit and effortless style. Where is Robert Wagner now? As of now, Robert Wagner is living a quiet and comfortable life in Aspen, Colorado. Now 95 years old, he has officially retired from acting and public appearances to focus on his health and his family. He spent this holiday season surrounded by his daughters, Katie and Courtney, and his stepdaughter, Natasha Gregson Wagner, at their family estate. His health remains a priority, and he is often seen enjoying the serene mountain air with Jill Street John by his side. Regarding the Natalie Wood investigation, the case remains officially cold as of late 2025. While the Los Angeles County Sheriff's Department has not provided a formal update in several years, legal experts note that the window for any new developments is closing. Wagner has largely stopped addressing the matter in public, preferring to let his written memoirs serve as his final word on the subject. He remains a beloved figure among the Hollywood elite, and his family recently shared a celebratory post marking his 95th birthday earlier this year in February, showing the actor in high spirits. Robert Wagner has transformed from a golden age matinee idol into a retired Hollywood patriarch. While his life has been marked by both immense success and profound tragedy, he is currently enjoying a peaceful chapter in the Colorado mountains, reflecting on a career that helped define the golden era of entertainment. Thanks for watching the video. If you want more episodes on Hollywood legends and where they are now, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.